Looking to buy an oscillating tool but not sure which way to go? Well, don't buy either a cordless or a corded oscillating tool until you see how this ValueMax 20-volt kit performs. Stay tuned because we're going to look at this one together. Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter Product Reviews. Today we're looking at the ValueMax 20-volt cordless oscillating tool and 3 things you need to know about. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I would really appreciate it. Please look in the description for the URL to use when purchasing this item. Thing number 1, this comes with a battery and a charger, and this is something you really need to look at when you're looking at the different models. Some have, or if they say tool only, that's no battery, no charger. Some of them may come with a battery and the tool, but not the charger, and that's primarily when you're looking at something like one that comes with the DeWalt type of tools. And then you've got one that will come with its own battery. Looks like the pinout's the same as most of the 20-volt batteries. The charging is done by a little itty-bitty wall wart that plugs into the top of the battery. So not a big deal. So there's no need to hunt down an extension cord or a new battery and charger. Just one less thing you got to deal with. Thing number 2, the tools can be changed in just 3 easy steps. You unlock the tool, you pull out the tool that's in there, put in the new one, and then lock it back. And as our folks across the pond would say, then Bob's your uncle. Thing number 3, this comes with a good variety of tools to get you started before you have to start buying tool heads. This comes with a tool bag, which helps keep things together, and that's worth something because I mean, yeah, you can always come up with another tool bag, but the question is why? I have had to buy one tool already, but I knew that going into it because there's a specific task I want to do with this that the heads that come with it, or tools, whatever you want to call them, don't address. Thing number 4, and this is a bonus item, this comes with a brushless motor, which should provide longer runtime, and it also should get you a little more power due to the brushless motor being used as well. Take a look at this and think about getting one today. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Please look in the description for the URL to use when purchasing this item. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.